Hey, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. Okay, now these are I have a lot of what I call knick-knack toys, and this is a new knick-knack toy, and it's basically about eggs. It's SPLAT eggs, and they're basically item number, what is the item number? PK 12, no, that's not it. 13088. Yeah, the link will be in the description. But anyways, there's 4 different versions. The white one, the yolk, the white yolks and 2 eggs, and you basically just go like this. Okay, I mean, it's very simple. You just splat it. Look at it. Just splat it. Kids will have fun, especially if you splat it on a ceiling or a window. All right, let's try a window then. Okay, uh-oh, somebody's coming in. Here, they get to watch me do this. Okay, well, come on in, guys, hurry up. I'm going to show you the splat. We're going to show you the new eggs we got. Here, move over there if you don't want to be in the picture. Stand over here. Okay, now watch. Okay, you ready?
Oh, look at that.
Look at that, splatting eggs. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's SPLAT eggs, okay? And that's a new item here, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Also like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button. You see the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, give us thumbs up at ProTinkerToys.com. SPLAT eggs. Huh? Come visit us like everybody else does. Bye-bye.